So do you also use FlexiFunnels to sell digital products? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create Kit subscriber on FlexiFunnels purchase. So here I'm a seller on FlexiFunnels, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase, then automatically the person who has made the purchase should be added as a new subscriber in my Kit account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my FlexiFunnels account with my Kit account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically create a Kit subscriber whenever a purchase is made on FlexiFunnels. So this integration will help you streamline customer engagement, send automated emails, and keep your buyers informed without manual effort. So stay with me as I walk you through the step-by-step process. Okay, so as you all know that I run an online business and I use FlexiFunnels to sell my digital products. So when someone makes a purchase, I want to keep them updated with important emails such as order confirmation, product access details, and future offers. So now instead of manually adding each buyer to my email list, I want to automate the process so they are instantly subscribed to my kit. This saves me time and helps me build a strong relationship with my customers by keeping them engaged and informed. So here I've already built an automation where I've connected my FlexiFunnels with my kit account using an automation software. And now firstly here in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply making a purchase through our FlexiFunnels payment page. So here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to make a purchase over here, then automatically the person who has made the purchase should be added as a new subscriber in my kit account. So now here we are going to see the working of this automation by making a test payment over here. So here we are going to click on this buy now. And then here it is asking me to enter some details. So here I'm going to select a random details. So this is the random details that I've added. So here I'm going to add the phone number. Here I'm going to enter a random phone number. And then here I'm going to scroll a little down. Here for the card number, I'm going to enter a test card number. Here I'm going to enter the random expiry date and then CVC and then the zip. And then I'm going to click on this complete order. And here you can see we have successfully made a purchase over here. That means we have successfully made a test purchase over here. So now let's go and check our kit account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And then I'm going to scroll a little down, and here you can see we have successfully received a new subscriber over here with the name testing, and here you can see the email as testing@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this automation by simply connecting your FlexiFunnels with your Kit account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So this is Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. And now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Kit subscriber on FlexiFunnels purchase. And then here it is asking me to select the folders. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin that automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as FlexiFunnels, as I'm receiving new purchase orders through FlexiFunnels. So FlexiFunnels is an easy to use platform for creating sales funnels and landing pages without needing any coding skills. So here in my FlexiFunnels trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new purchase, so that whenever a new purchase is made through our FlexiFunnels, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here after selecting a trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my FlexiFunnels account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my FlexiFunnels account. So this is my FlexiFunnels account, and here under products you can see all the products that I'm selling using FlexiFunnels. So here in this particular case, I'm going to set up this automation for the product which is named as web camera. So I'm going to click on this edit over here. And from here, I'm going to select set rules given the left side bar. And from here, I'm going to click on this set product rules over here. And then here it is asking me to select some conditions. So here for the when, I'm going to select product is purchased. And for the pricing options, I'm going to select for all pricing options. And here under use, I'm going to select the use as webhook over here. And now here after selecting the use, you can see it is asking me to enter the webhook name and the webhook URL. So here for the webhook name, I'm going to enter the webhook name as new purchase. And then here for the webhook URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And with this, we have successfully added a new webhook in our FlexiFunnels account, or you can say we have successfully connected our FlexiFunnels with Pabbly Connect. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to make a test purchase through our FlexiFunnels. So for that, let me take you to my payment page. So here I'm going to open the payment page in new tab. So this is my product sale page, and here I'm going to click on this buy now. And again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as latest, last name as customer. Here for the email ID, I'm going to enter the email ID as latest@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter random phone number. And then here for the address, I'm going to enter random address. And then here I'm going to select the country as India. Scrolling a little down, again here I'm going to enter a test card number, random CVC, and a random zip. And then I'm going to click on this complete order. And here you can see we have successfully made a purchase over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the transaction ID, state. Here you can see some other details such as the product title. Here you can see the product ID, price, phone number, order ID, last name, first name, email, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new purchase order to our FlexiFunnels, then automatically I want to add that customer as a new subscriber in my Kit account. So for that, I need to connect my Kit account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Kit. So Kit is an email marketing platform tailored for creators like bloggers, podcasters, and small businesses. So here in my Kit action step, I'm going to select my action event as add subscriber to a form, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase through FlexiFunnels, then automatically the person who has made the purchase is going to be added as a new subscriber in my Kit account as well. And now here to connect my Kit with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Kit account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API key and the API secret. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Kit account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon, and from here I'm going to select settings. And now here under settings, I'm going to scroll a little down, and from here I'm going to click on this developer option given the left side bar. And here are developers, you can see we have received the API key. So this is the API key and this is the API secret. So I'm going to copy both of the details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. So here you can see we have successfully added required details, and now I'm going to click on the save given over here. and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the form. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see the form that I have already created over here. So here I've created a single form, that's why I'm going to select that form only. And then here it is asking me to enter the first name and the email. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new purchase through our FlexiFunnels, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the first name. So this is my customer's first name. So I'm going to map it. Here I'm going to map the email address of my customer. So this is the email address. And then here it is asking me for the tag. This tags is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add the tag, then you can do it as per your need. And then here it is asking me to enter the last name. So I'm going to map the last name of my customer. So this is the last name. And then here I'm going to map the mobile number. So this is the mobile number. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new subscriber in our Kit account for the new purchase received through our FlexiFunnels. So now let's go and check our Kit account. Here I'm going to click on the subscribers. And now here I'm going to scroll a little down, and here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber over here with the name latest and the email as latest@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. We have taken our trigger as FlexiFunnels and our action as Kit, so that whenever we are going to receive new purchase through FlexiFunnels, then automatically the person who has made the purchase is going to be added as a new subscriber in our Kit account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create Kit subscriber on FlexiFunnels purchase. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.